Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Yes, and in today's video I'm going to be fitting whatever's inside this tube. So some of you would have heard in one of my previous videos, this isn't going to come out is it, that I mentioned that I'd put some gold accents on my wing mirrors, and these will be, well, this will be instructions telling me how to apply decals. And if I can get these out, because they're very tightly wrapped, these will actually be some gold stripes for the side of my car. I may not like them. I may put them on and just go, that's rubbish, and take them off again. As I say, I kind of like my car not to be recognised, but I thought I may do some gold accents on the car. That's the word. Anyway, let's get these out and show you what they are. There we go. They did actually come out a lot easier than I thought. But yeah, this will be two stripes. This obviously goes down the C-pillar of the car, where the rear hatch goes up, and then obviously the goldness runs all the way along, and obviously on the other side is the other one. Yeah, so what I will have to do is cut this down the middle, down here, to separate the decals, so I've got them, because obviously I'm going to do one side at a time. Clean the side of the car, go and measure it up, and stick them on, probably crookedly, but we'll give it a go. Here we go, I'm outside, I've got the sticker, I've got my spray with a tiny bit of soap in it, probably 1 to 200%, my microfiber measuring tape, my squeegee, and some scissors to cut around this. So what I've done is I've lined it up roughly with this bit here, try and keep some kind of line, and it's roughly about 1.5 inches all the way down the side. I may not even like it, as I say, I put these on, but I do like to be anonymous in my car, but let's see if this is even. No, it's not. It could just be that it's a low quality sticker. That's what happens when you buy stuff off an auction site. If not, I may go and get my heat gun, but no, I may leave it on overnight and see what happens. There's a tiny bit there. Maybe I could come the other way. Yeah, you can just see it wants to lift. What I'll do is I'll move around to the other side. But what I've done is I've pre-sprayed and cleaned this side. Paint's starting to come off on here. Just this little strip. I've obviously got to do a bit of cutting when it comes to the insert there. But I'll go over this with my cloth, but again I will line it up with the front ST badge and let it follow the contour of the car. But what I will do is, one thing I would advise if you do this sort of thing, is to cut all the excess off. So let's do that first. Right, there's me, the side is cleaned, so I'm literally going to saturate the side of the car. As I say, this is 1 part soap to 100% water. I know it's going to take the polish off and everything else, but that was the idea. Give it a liberal coating, like so. Look at that, eh? Soapy. And what I'm going to do is take it over to the car, line up the first part, and then lay it across the side of the car. Right, so back on this side, let's get my tape measure. As I say, this without trying to scratch the car should roughly be, yeah, so the contour gap there we go, is roughly same as there. How cool. And as I say, if I don't actually like it on the car, I will remove it, because as I say, it may make the car stand out too much. Right, so that's the side done. The end measurement there is pretty much within a fraction, 1/10 of an inch. The same as the bit along there, so yeah, it's not too bad. As I say, it may look a bit Starsky and Hutch with the gold on, and it may be freezy to people to say, oh, there was a black car speeding around with a gold stripe on it. Not that I speed, obviously, but some people's perception of speed is way off, yes. But I'm going to wait for that to dry, peel off the side, do the little bits where the door and the wing is, and see what it's like. As I say, it was gifted to me. Appreciate it. It gives me something to do whilst I'm going through chemo. And yeah, if I don't like it, I'll just take it off. So I've started to do the passenger's door. Obviously that's where I've trimmed it. I will open the door in a minute just to do this edge bit here. But obviously when you're taking it off, this is the bit I'm going to try and decide what to do. Maybe in hindsight I should have put this a lot higher on the car, but I wanted this black border here because obviously I've now got this bit where the door handle is to deal with, but in theory I should be able to heat it and just push that bit away like so. Not too bad. I got this bit to deal with because this bit's got too far to go back, but it will do. It just needs a little bit of heat, and I mean, who knows, it should adhere, but then it kind of, yeah, follows the line of door. But when you're actually peeling it, you may actually find you get some air bubbles, which you should, like this, be able to squeegee out. One thing you could do is actually wait for the glue to dry and then you can push them out. But also when you're running along with this, it's an idea to keep some pressure on it because it's going to want to lift. Another tip you can do is, rather than peel a sticker from the end, which will often lift the decal, is to tear it from a side and then go in an opposite direction. When you actually remove the decal backing, try and keep it as flat to the surface as you can. There we go, all finished. Both sides are done and it's dry, but I'm not going to move the car for a day. Let me know what you think. Does it work? Does it not work? Leave a comment down below, and I do have my next video planned, but it's something to do with the seats and the colour. Anyway, like I say, if you like the car, leave a comment. If you don't like it, let us know, because maybe it's a bit too Lotus, Starsky and Hutch. Don't know. Personally, I don't think I like it, but there you go.